Hi friends, as I promised in my last video, today I will try to talk about the Socratic method or the dialectic. First, I must say that word dialectic has a lot of meanings and that meanings are changed almost in accord with the philosopher that use this word. But there's something shared to notice the contradictions. Sometimes the philosophers, believe in the dialectic like a helpful way to find the truth, sometimes like a source of mistake. In our author, the meaning is positive, dialectic as a good method to find the truth. However, other word is associated with the Socratic method. This word is maieutica. This word, maieutica, is related with the activity developed by his mother, the mother of Socrates, the parturition of new babies. Why he thinks himself as a kind of parturient of new ideas. One more thing. Before trying to talk about the method, we must remember that Socrates left us with no writing text by himself. And now we can say about him and his method we will obtain from three sources: the comed writer Aristophanes and his work The Clouds, and writings of Xenophon and Plato. The first source, Aristophanes, shows us Socrates as an eccentric one, almost like a clown who lives in the clouds, and the other two sources were written by disciples. Xenophon was not such a good writer, and Plato, on the other hand, was a great writer and left us works in the format of dialogues in which Socrates, almost always, is one of the characters. The experts discuss who is the real Socrates, and rivers of ink were used among them to answer it. But for us, it's just another remembering to show us the difficulties of the question Socrates. However, he was known as a guy always available to anyone who wanted to talk about subjects in the agora or sometimes elsewhere. Agora were a place in the ancient Greek cities comparable to, I don't know, a central square nowadays. But Socrates always someone who refused offer opinions about the things. Unlike the sophists, he doesn't offer lessons and nor believes that the man is the measure of the things in accord of personal opinions. He always remembers something that happened in the past when his friend Chaerephon had go to the oracle of Delphi and asked the Pythoness, priestess of the god Apollo, who was the wisest man, and got the answer that the man was Socrates. When he heard it, he was perplexed and, after reflecting on it, came to a conclusion. The god of the oracle could not be wrong. Then, as he knew nothing, consciousness about his own ignorance should be the true knowledge. Be aware of your own ignorance. I just know I do not know anything is a motto related to him. Know yourself is also advice of the oracle accepted by Socrates. After all, go to the method. It's divided in two main parts, proteptico and elenkos, two Greek words. The first is only the exhortation or invitation made by Socrates for the interlocutors to agree to conduct honest research to obtain the truth of something, especially a human value such as courage. In the second moment, the Laicus, Socrates will ask questions and comment on the answers, showing their fragilities, contradictions, and mistakes. In a word, he will show that the supposed knowledge offered is only prejudice and must be rejected. And he does it using irony. After the refutations, he will ask more questions, and suggest ways to avoid the illusion of the senses, the weight of the prejudice, and also will help the interlocutor to find a true answer or stimulate the birthing of a new idea. A new idea that must show the essence of the thing that they want to find out. The essence, that which is a thing purged of all the accidental that may be associated with it. If they are successful, the method will lead them to the truth. But I always have seen the case of courage in the Laches dialogue. Sometimes it is best acknowledged that is not being achieved. At the year 399 BC, this so friendly and benevolent man will be charged and convicted to death. Our next subject. See you